Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2006 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a two-wheel drive, 6.0 power-stroke diesel. It's a one-owner truck belonging to BNSF Railroad. It's got 11-foot maintainer bed, 3,500-pound maintainer crane. It's got a Quincy hydraulic air compressor. This truck's got 289,000 miles on it. The engine was replaced around 100,000 miles ago with a Ford reman unit. We'll walk around and show it to you. Interior's nice and clean. Hydraulic outriggers, air hose and reel. Kick the PTO on, show you the crane and compressor. Compartment lights, floodlights, all kind of lights going on here. Railwork lights, some lights in here. Light up there. Light on the crane. Looks like a club in there. All right. Side, around, winch down, extension out, extension in, down, winch up. Alright, obviously it does a lot more than that. I'm showing you the basic functions on it. Flip this up. closes, surprisingly. Most of them are bent and don't close. That one does close. Outrigger down. Outrigger down. Down. Up. Those do have blocks on them right there, as you can see. Alright. Just so you know, that red flip switch there, that's got to be on for everything to work. See? Cut that off. That's everything on. No matter if your switch is up front or on or not. Main power. Alright, obviously this isn't a new truck. It's a 06 model. It's got nearly 300,000 miles on it. It does have some spots we touched up on the bed where the paint had flaked off. Pretty common right there, just different spots. It's solid though. It's a nice truck. Runs out and drives good. Everything works on it. All equipment works like it should. But like I said, with that being said, it's still a let's see, how old is this thing? 15 years old. 15-year-old truck with almost 300,000 miles. It's as is. It doesn't have a warranty. If you call me and say, will this truck make it to California? I'm going to say I don't know, because I don't know. Sure, it runs out and drives great right now. Anything can happen to a used truck. Anything can happen to a new truck. I just like to be upfront with people. You may buy this thing and never turn a wrench on it. I don't know, you know, but it is a used truck. So just keep that in mind. If you want to come here and buy it and pick it up and drive it home, you're going to be looking, need to be here Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. We're not open on the weekend, just Saturday and Sunday. We leave at 5 o'clock, so you need to be here at 4:30 or earlier. You got to make an appointment, give me a call, set it up. We'll get it locked in. You got to bring cashier's check, cash, or do a wire transfer. I don't accept any personal checks on your company or your personal name. Has to be certified funds. If you show up with a personal check or one of your business checks, I'm going to send you back and tell you got to go to your bank and get a certified check. Having that happen too much, and I'm not accepting those checks. I almost got burned a couple of weeks ago bad, so I'm not taking those chances. I'd rather not sell the truck. I'd rather not take the chance. So anyways, thing runs out and drives good. We're pricing this truck, basically the bed's worth more than we're selling the truck for, so and most people see that value. They understand everything I'm saying, and they don't have a problem with it. You know, if you do have a problem with anything I've said on this video, you probably just don't get it. But most people do. You know, these cheaper trucks, I have a lot of people tell me they plan on running them, you know, 3 to 4 years and then upgrading and taking the bed and putting it on a newer chassis, which is, you know, I wouldn't do it as long as the truck was running, but you know, a lot of people do that. But for, you know, somebody just getting started out on their own, this is a fantastic truck. Got all the stuff on it other than short of a welder, which it's got a spot there for a welder, and it had one on it. Unfortunately, the people we buy them from tend to pull them off 9 times out of 10. So everything works: air conditioner, heater, radio. Nice truck. One owner. Just give me a call, 256-310-6852. Don't wait around. This thing probably won't last too long, especially where it's going to be priced. All right, thanks for watching. HeavyMetalAuto.com.